Well, I finally got a lathe. It's a Tyme Sl 750. It's an old lathe. I was going to get the new lathe, but I thought this was a much better deal. This came with this rather expensive chuck. I think this is about £80 new. So there, that's £80 up. I bought the whole thing, all of the stuff, for £180. The switch broke on the way back from where I collected it from, but I got a new one of them. So this is all the stuff I got with it. Some calipers, another small tool rest, like this one up here. Some like Forstner bits or something that you screw that onto the end of a piece of stock. Got this key for the chuck. Got another chuck. Got another chuck for the tail stock. Got a faceplate. I got these chuck keys and these things that go on the chuck that make it go a bit wider. It's a 3-speed chuck. If I just undo this thing here, you'll be able to see that there are 3 pulleys, or 6 pulleys, and if you just undo this knob here, you can just lift the motor up, and it was quite heavy, I can't lift it up with one hand, but it lifts up and you just move it across. I've got some stuff mounted here in the moment. It's just decking from someone's front garden that they kindly gave to me. I've got a load out here. What else I've got? Oh yeah, there's loads of stuff over here that I have no idea what it is. I mean, there's this, which is, well, I have no idea. I thought it was a tool rest, but it doesn't fit in here anyhow. Anyway, and you got this, no idea. Then this thing, I don't know. I thought this was a faceplate, but it doesn't have any holes in it. And then this, what's that? What does that do? So if anyone knows, then please tell me, because I don't know what to do with them. What else? Oh yeah, I mark up the centres with just I use the 45-degree angle because it's just easier. What else? Oh yeah, I've got a whole set of Robert Sorby chisels. Apparently they're quite expensive. And I've got a load of miniature chisels as well. I roughly know what they do. I know this is a roughing gouge just to get it down to cylinder. This is, I don't know really. There's a ball gouge and another ball gouge and a fingernail gouge and a round nose scraper, I think, to get inside the bowls. And I think that's a parting tool, but I'm not sure. And then the same here, just a few things that are quite useful. So that is my lathe. It runs really smoothly. I'll show you. My whole shed vibrates, but I'm going to need to reinforce it. It's not bolted down at the moment, it's just got this clamper just sort of clamping it down. But I'm using this to collect all the dust from there onto here, just so it doesn't get in my toolkit. So I'll just show you it working. Oh, also this they put this on backwards, so the thing is back here instead of in front, so I'm gonna have to take that apart, turn it around, which it's a bit annoying, but it works for the moment. So I'll just show you it working. I'm just gonna mount it up here. Yep. I'm gonna use some safety goggles, these, and a dust mask like this, and I'm just going to show you just a tiny bit of getting it down to a cylinder using a roughing gouge. So I'll just start it up. This is on the mid speed, so it's not too fast, it's not too slow. I'm not really sure what speed it is. I haven't looked it up. I can't find the manual for it on the internet. But I'm actually surprised because it's third hand. That's why there's so many chisels and attachments. But I'm surprised because it's quite nice. And it's a good deal for £180. That's not quite turned down. This bit is here where I've done a bit more, but because it's grooved, it's there's still tiny bits there. But it does create quite a lot of dust and stuff on the floor, so I put this here to catch most of it. Also I have to open my window as far as it can go just to get all the dust out. There's just a little contraption screwed into the frame that just swivels around. There's a cover for it as well. So all of this, including the tools, 2 trucks, the lathe itself, and all the attachments, came to £180. So I was pretty pleased about that. So hopefully I can do some wood turning projects in the future.